Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing how we can make a factory reset on Windows 10 PC. So it's almost similar to resetting a mobile. We are erasing everything. You can do it in different way. You can even directly search or reset this PC option in the Cortana. But I'll show you where it is residing. So go to settings. Under the settings, go to update and security. And even you can search settings as well, reset this PC. But let me show you the path where you can do this one. Go to the recovery under the update and security, and you can see the first option is reset this PC. So just click on the get started option, and you have two options: keeping files and removing everything. By formatting I mean it's removing everything, but if you want to keep files you can go with the first option. And here in additional settings, go to the change setting option for us to choose whether we want to remove your files, remove the files only but not secure, but this will be quicker. But data drives, it removes everything, all files from all drives, so that's fine. It goes to the second option and next, and this is gonna take much time compared to the other case where we are removing only the files, but that's not secure. But if you want to format really, go with this option and restart it, or reset that one. And now we can see that it's starting to reset. It's just 1%. I'm gonna make it faster. You have to wait this, but this video I'm skipping the increase in the progress of the reset option. So here you can see that it started from 1% and it's 99% now. And once it's finished 100%, it will ask for restarting the computer. So just need to click that option to restart the PC. So it will restart the PC. So this is the technique how you can do the resets. If you just want to know about resetting this PC, then you don't need to watch the remaining part of the video. But if you want to see how to configure the Windows 10 after the resetting is done, you have to continue with the session. So this is once we restarted. Here you have a window like this, resetting this PC. Maybe it will restart 2-3 times. After that, this window it will open for to configure the Windows 10, like choosing the language, time, everything. So just go with the US option, and keyboard is US keyboard. Press yes. And if you want to add a second keyboard, you can go from add layout, you can go with that, but I'm skipping. I don't want to add any other language. It's just skipping that, and it's asking for just a moment. Actually my video is faster in some steps, that's why it's finishing faster. For the video tutorial purpose I made it faster, and I have skipped a lot of sessions. Like for example, I put faster and license agreement you need to accept. What I was telling, that I have made the video faster. I have skipped the intermediate steps where it's like showing 2%, 3%. I skip that. And here you have option whether your computer is in a domain or it's using for personal. I will go with the personal, but if your computer is a domain computer, you can add it to domain directly. If you have a Microsoft account, you can go with this option, create. You can log in with Microsoft account, but I don't need a Microsoft account. I don't have it, so I'm skipping that. And I will go with the limited experience since I don't have a Microsoft account right now. Here you need to give the username of the computer. Let's give my name, Shamir, and give a password, and maybe you have to confirm it again. Let's give some simple 4-digit passwords, confirm the same password again. Then it will be asking for a security question. You have to answer 3 security questions, and I'm giving some random answers since I'm sure about that I will not forget this computer password, and it's not a production machine, it's just a virtual machine for tutorial purpose. So choose 3 security questions and answer those security questions. In case if you forget your password, you can reset using this security question and answers. So, and even at this option you have you can choose an online account, but I don't want to go with an online account right now. Do more access device with active history, just press no if you don't want to add like switching devices if you are having multiple devices. So just skip it for now. And digital assistant like Cortana, we don't want this right now, just declining. But if you want to use Cortana, you can go with that option. And privacy settings, you can choose it. I don't want to enable all privacy settings. I'm just giving like diagnosing data, location, and tailored experience. So just accept that. After you finish, now we have finished our setup, and it's asking for us to wait. So all these steps, it may take much time compared to the files you have at the time of resetting. If you have more files like 100 GB, 200 GB, so that may take a long time. But for me it was faster because I don't have anything on my computer. So we have formatted it completely, and you can see in the programs only the default Windows programs are there. No other installed programs are there because it has removed all the programs from the computer, as well as the files and folders that I had in the previous computer. So that's fine. Now you can see there is no programs that was installed before. For example, VLC media player, it was not there. It was there, but it is not here. So in this way you can reset the computer to factory resets. So it's almost similar to formatting a mobile. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Like if you have if you think it was helpful, and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.